Hollywood Studios today, and we have our coffee, and the Millennium Falcon is right behind us. We're gonna go to Epcot for dinner, but for the most part, we're gonna stay at Hollywood Studios today, and somebody's lightsaber building is today. So we're excited. We'll see y'all later. And are heading over to Star Wars, but I highly cannot recommend, if you are interested in Disney's history, to go watch that and go walk through the museum. It's really cool, so y'all should head that way next time you're here. We have T-minus about 3 minutes or so before we need to start walking over to do his lightsaber. But Docking Bay, or no, not Docking Bay, sorry, Ronto Roasters was so good. And if you're on the dining plan, it's only a quick service meal, and our meal was $40 or 2 quick service credits. So it's a really good deal. And they have alcoholic and non-alcoholic drinks, like specialty drinks. But the wrap was amazing. It's a little spicy, but delicious. So y'all should definitely try that out. And then I will meet y'all at the lightsabers next. Look at the Stormtrooper's helmet.
Good to have you, friends.
Thank you.
Right here, please. Your credentials right up top.
Hope you're ready to buy some scrapping. We got a lot
Right here for me.
Everyone's showing their love for our 2 units.
Are you excited?
But to us, it is everything. Now, I know you're thinking this looks like a lot of old junk, and I can assure you, some of this is new junk. Now, you had the opportunity to meet Stephen. You will get to meet JT, Kathleen, Amalia, Kirsten. You will get to meet Kevin as well. You may call me Kevin. We call ourselves the Gatherers. We search the galaxy for ancient relics. We go to forgotten places, abandoned outposts, battle-ravaged planets. And what we find, we bring back here. So where a stormtrooper sees only worthless clutter, those who know see priceless history. And in these troubled times, preserving our past, to build this, a lightsaber. The lightsaber has been wielded by some of our greatest heroes and our darkest enemies. It is elegant, enigmatic. To build a lightsaber is an art. The saber becomes a direct reflection of the builder because the force flows between them. Today, you will feel that connection. But enough of my talking. Let's get started. We will begin with perhaps the most important component of the lightsaber, and that is the kyber crystal, able to blue. As wielded by the great master Obi-Wan Kenobi, his apprentice Anakin Skywalker, and we are told, red, green, Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, great master Yoda himself, and Luke Skywalker. The violet crystal, rare and beautiful, is wielded by Mace Windu. Red, There are those who call this the color of power. The crystal of Darth Maul, Asajj Ventress, Darth Vader, and now, Kylo Ren. But these are the stories of the past, and we are here for you, our future. So, now it is time for you to choose your kyber crystal, the heart of your lightsaber. Everyone, close your eyes. Picture those kyber crystals in your mind's eye. What color shines brightest to you? What color calls to you? What color is yours? Now, open your eyes and select your kyber crystal.
One last red.
Perfect. Now that you've selected your crystal design that you have selected. There we are, my friend, right in the right place. Now we're going to talk about the hilt. The hilt is the foundation of your lightsaber. It is the center of your control. It is the part that prevents the hand from being disintegrated. Very important. Now as you look before you, looking down into that box, you will see the chassis, a selection of grips, emitters, hollow caps, and the activation. Building your lightsaber is...
Are you done?
Thanks up.
You good? Yeah. Can I take a look? Perfect.
Oh no, that's good. It's like a very barbaric, exactly what felt right. So that means it's truly yours. Very nicely done. Power and Control, another design of the Old Republic. What do you like of the Old Republic design? You've all assembled your hilts, and nothing unexpected or traumatic has happened yet, which is good because this is the dangerous part of the process. I will ask all of my builders to please step away from their hilts, step away from the table. I want all of you to have the illusion of safety. What we're going to do is stabilize your crystals for activation. Not normally a problem. What happens when it's a problem?
We all
Someone
die.
gets hurt and we get more holes in the ceiling. You're absolutely correct. Or, but very possible. You never know what can happen. Those crystals have a temper. Don't worry though. Everybody's trained and I will modulate these frequencies myself. How many of us have
With many parts to begin. With the heart of the saber they are joined, much more they will become. It is time.
Master Yoda? Yes, it is time. We are at the final stage of the process. The bond between builder and saber is about to be forged. In just a moment, I will ask my builders to step forward. They will place their hands on their hilts, and together, on my mark, you will activate. Is everyone ready?
Yes.
Then step forward, my friends. Hands on your hilts. Take a breath. Activate.
Oh! What the?
Builders, raise your sabers. You have built a lightsaber, like the Jedi and Sith that came before you. Like them, you too could change the galaxy. Remember, it only far. Builders, deactivate those sabers.
Complete your lightsaber is. Choose your path it cannot, but like your way, it can. May the Force be with you.
Thank you, Master Yoda. You have in your hands remarkable power. And remarkable power should not be dropped on the ground. Take your lightsabers as you depart. We will offer you a saber shield. Our time together is at an end, but your journeys are just beginning. It's time for you to make your mark on the galaxy and to remember that you are as unique and as extraordinary as the lightsaber that you have created. And who knows, maybe next time we'll be telling your stories. Till the spire.
So we are now in Epcot. We both gotten changed, refreshed, and ready for our date night tonight. I think we're gonna go to Top of the World Lounge and try to catch the Halloween fireworks, which would be awesome. Okay, so we just actually rode one of the Sensational 6 buses, and it was really pretty inside, and the charging actually charged super fast. My phone was like 10% and it charged at 40% just on the bus ride to Epcot. So that was pretty awesome. So if you can get on one of the buses, definitely do it. I hope they upgrade all the buses to that because that was really nice.
Oh, all right. No, I'm not shy. Let's do this one. All right. So let's perform Japanese greeting together and shake your hand like this, please. Thank you very much. And put right here. Thank you. And I'm gonna take the bow. So please, one step back. I don't want to hit your head on the table, right? Let's do it. Irashaimase. Welcome to Japan. Thank you very much. That's beautiful bowing. Alright, please come to close. Thank you very much. And I need your little help. Please count down 3, 2, 1 in Japanese. Could you do that? Do you remember it? Oh my goodness. You're a great teacher here. So could you tell me again? 3, 2, 1. Good job. And did you get it? Yep. Could you say that? 3, 2, 1. Oh wow, you have a great teacher and you have a great student here. And actually she took my job, oh my goodness. Alright, now it's my job again. Alright, let's open yourself. I'm pretty sure you don't need practice anymore, right? So let's see. Please count down again. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Good job. Open. May I use it, bro? Beautiful pearl here. Oh wow, that's great choice. And wow, it's very shiny one. Alright, your pearl is right here. Look at this shiny color. And your pearl is very shy because your pearl show me only half face. Look at this one. So this is half side, and the other side is yeah, with your skin covered it. So I will clean up for you. Please don't worry about that. Alright. Look at this. This pearl show me only half face. Oh my goodness. Don't be shy. Alright. So let's measure the size of your pearl. Let's do 6.5. This is average size 6 3/4. 7 millimeter. Great job. Wow. You got a lucky number 7 for you. Oh my goodness. Alright, you got a beautiful pearl. Of course, it's time to celebrate. Please clap your hand with time.
He asked for ketchup. It's Shepherd's Pie and said a lot of ketchup. They brought him a whole round. just finished watching the the new Halloween fireworks show, whatever it's called. And it was actually really good. It fulfilled my Halloween. I might have drank the whole thing since we've been here. But it fulfilled all my things I missed about Wishes and all the fireworks, because I feel like Happily Ever After doesn't have as many fireworks, but I absolutely loved it. So if you guys get the opportunity to eat at the restaurant over in Contemporary, or just come over here and watch the fireworks, or go to the spooky show, the Booty Party, I highly recommend it, guys. We're gonna head back to our hotel and go to sleep. So you guys have a good night. Bye.